Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. In a groundbreaking leak, official marketing materials for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra have surfaced, courtesy of a Brazilian website. These documents outline key specifications, advanced AI features, and hardware upgrades, making this the most significant S25 Ultra reveal to date. Let's break down everything you need to know. AI features. A leap towards smarter smartphones. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to redefine what artificial intelligence can do on a smartphone. Central to this innovation is a feature called Now Brief, an evolution of the Now bar introduced in One UI 7. This intelligent dashboard offers personalized, context-aware updates at a glance, tailored to different times of the day. Now Brief's core use cases. Kickstart your day with a comprehensive overview, including weather forecast, a glance at the day's temperature and precipitation, energy score. Likely integrated with Samsung wearables, this provides insights into your sleep quality and overall vitality. Daily schedule. A seamless pull from your calendar, ensuring you're prepared for meetings, appointments, or personal plans. Commute brief. Once you're in your car, the S25 Ultra's AI kicks into gear. Navigation. Automatically starts GPS guidance to your destination. Music playback. Continue your favorite playlist or suggest new tracks. Nearby suggestions. For example, if you're running low on energy, it may recommend coffee shops along your route, complete with active discounts or coupons. Evening summary. As your day winds down, Now Brief highlights your accomplishments. Memorable moments. Collates photos, videos, or events from your day. Activity insights. Summarizes step counts, workouts, or other fitness metrics logged via Samsung Health. These summaries are securely compiled using on-device AI, ensuring your privacy while offering unparalleled convenience. Enhanced Gemini integration. The next level of AI. One of the most talked about features in the leak is the deeper integration with Google Gemini, Google's advanced AI platform. The synergy between Samsung's One UI and Gemini creates a more powerful, streamlined experience. Key Gemini features on the S25 Ultra. Video summarization and notes. The S25 Ultra can analyze YouTube videos and summarize key points. For example, a simple voice command like, "Hey Google Gemini, list the places mentioned in this video and save a note," transforms complex information into an organized Samsung note. AI-powered music search. Instantly identify songs playing nearby, complete with artist and track details. Homework AI. Designed for students and professionals alike, this feature solves mathematical equations while showing the steps for educational purposes. Routines. By analyzing your habits, the S25 Ultra suggests apps, music, and navigation routes tailored to your daily patterns. Exclusive Gemini Advanced Subscription. Samsung is sweetening the deal for pre-orders by offering a 1-year Gemini Advanced subscription for free. Normally priced at $240 annually, Gemini Advanced enhances AI capabilities with more precise interactions, smarter contextual actions, and faster processing compared to the standard version. Hardware upgrades. Pushing the boundaries. While the AI features steal the spotlight, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's hardware also receives noteworthy updates. Processor. The S25 Ultra debuts with Samsung's latest Exynos or Qualcomm chip, depending on region, promising faster performance and better energy efficiency. Camera enhancements. The Ultra's ultra-wide sensor gets a significant boost from 12 MP to 50 MP, enabling sharper, more detailed photos and videos, especially in low-light conditions. Battery and charging. Although not explicitly detailed in the leak, Samsung is rumored to include faster charging technology and a larger battery capacity, ensuring all-day usage. AI evolution. A shift away from Bixby? Surprisingly, the leaked marketing materials make no mention of Bixby, Samsung's long-standing AI assistant. Instead, the spotlight is firmly on Gemini, signaling a potential shift in Samsung's strategy. While Bixby recently received upgrades with large language model support, its exclusion here suggests Samsung is positioning Gemini as the flagship AI for the S25 lineup. The tighter integration between Samsung and Google is evident in this leak. By leveraging Gemini's capabilities, the Galaxy S25 Ultra bridges the gap between hardware and software, creating a cohesive ecosystem. Features like Now Brief and Gemini-powered actions represent a significant step forward in making smartphones more intelligent and intuitive. Conclusion. A glimpse into the future of smartphones. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's leaked marketing materials paint a clear picture of a device that's not just an upgrade but a redefinition of what smartphones can achieve. From AI-driven contextual updates to cutting-edge hardware improvements, the S25 Ultra promises to be one of 2025's most innovative and desirable devices. For those eager to get their hands on the S25 Ultra, with its blend of smart features, hardware advancements, and ecosystem integration, the S25 Ultra is poised to set a new standard in the premium smartphone market. Stay tuned for more updates as Samsung officially unveils the Galaxy S25 lineup. This is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphone releases of the year.